Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will delve into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Microsoft as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.98. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, showing a gain of 1.25%. This results in an average return of 0.63% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a downward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trend. The present 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 4.26% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 5.90% to an increase of 2.7%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 1.97% over the coming year, with potential returns varying from a decrease of 1.65% to an increase of 16.34%. This would correspond to a price range between $407.94 and $482.55 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Microsoft stock after gaining 1.25%. On the last trading day, the Microsoft stock price increased by 1.25%, rising from $409.64 to $414.77. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.9%, with a day low of $407.74 and a day high of $415.48. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and it by 0.58% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also rose on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 3 million more shares traded compared to the day before. In total, 24 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.910 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $468.35, while the lowest price was $385.58. Currently, the price is 11.44%, or $53.58, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft has made significant strides in the tech sector with the unveiling of its first quantum computing chip, Majorana 1, which is powered by topological qubits. This advancement not only demonstrates Microsoft's commitment to quantum technology, but also positions the company as a leader in a field that could fundamentally revolutionize computing. The company's assertion that quantum computing is now years, not decades, away from real-world applications could excite investors, potentially sparking short-term stock price volatility as market sentiment adjusts to this new development. Additionally, Microsoft's partnership with companies like Arista Networks, which reported revenue growth due to increased capital expenditure spending from tech giants, reflects a robust demand for advanced technologies and services. This spending could foreshadow stronger recurring revenue streams from Microsoft, indirectly supporting a positive long-term outlook for its stock price. Conversely, recent news of a prominent investor, Stanley Druckenmiller, shedding Microsoft stock for other opportunities might raise some caution in the market. This action could lead to short-term bearish sentiment, particularly among retail investors. However, the overall impact will likely be tempered by Microsoft's innovative advancements and strategic growth initiatives. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 14, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Microsoft a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, January 14, 2025, Wells Fargo rated Microsoft as outperform, while also recommending a hold. On Wednesday, December 18th, 2024, UBS provided a buy rating for Microsoft along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, December 10th, 2024, Needham rated Microsoft as a hold with a corresponding hold recommendation. On that same day, December 10th, 2024, Piper Sandler assigned a neutral rating for Microsoft, also recommending a hold. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 14th of February, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.55%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been identified. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals were also issued, and these may influence the near-term development. The Microsoft stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal for the stock, providing a more negative forecast. If there are further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $422.38. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the stock will find support from the short-term average at $410.87. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average will add another sell signal and reinforce the general signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $410.92. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with healthy trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $7.74 between its high and low, which represents a movement of 1.9%. Throughout the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.27%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.20. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $414.99. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $410.92. If this support level holds, it might present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st of January, 2025, Emma N. Walmsley conducted an insider purchase of 150,581 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, John W. Stanton conducted an insider purchase of 151 shares of common stock. Also on that day, Charles W. Scharf made an insider purchase of 151 shares of common stock. Additionally, Carlos A. Rodriguez conducted an insider purchase of 255,987 shares of restricted stock units. On that same date, Penny S. Pritzker executed an insider purchase of 240,929 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 6.905. In total, insiders purchased 537,927 shares and sold 460,630 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $390.21, representing a decrease of 5.92%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 2 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Microsoft presents several positive indicators. However, we do not view these as sufficient for a buying recommendation at this time. Currently, it should be seen as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may choose to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of February, we anticipate Microsoft will open lower by $2.11, with an initial trading price of $412.66. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.